Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back after a long time. So in today's video, we are going to learn about ozone layer, as you can see the diagram behind me. So before starting the video, make sure you like, share and comment on my video and make sure you subscribe my channel. So let's get started with the video. So what is ozone layer? The first topic of the video is that what is ozone layer? So ozone layer is a thin part of Earth's atmosphere, as you can see here. It's a thin part of Earth's atmosphere that absorbs 98 to 99% of sun's UV rays, and it is present in stratosphere. As you can see in this diagram, this pink line is quoted. This pink line, the thick line, it is ozone layer. This pink line is ozone layer, and here is when its UV rays, it absorbs this UV rays. So you can define that. Yes, what is ozone layer? Ozone layer is a thin part of, as now we must learn that it is thick. How it is a thin part? So we know I don't have any sufficient space to draw it properly, but yes, I hope it's clearly visible to you. So yes, it is a thin part of Earth's atmosphere. This means that our atmosphere is much bigger. So it is a thin part of Earth's atmosphere, and it absorbs 98 to 99% of sun's UV rays. It absorbs, and it is present in stratosphere, as you can see here. This is stratosphere. As you can see, this layer is stratosphere. So we are done with our topic, that what is ozone layer. Now move to the next topic. Our topic is ozone depletion and how does it occur. So what is ozone depletion? It is very simple. The thinning of this ozone layer. I'm rubbing it with my finger. The thinning of this ozone layer is called ozone depletion. Okay, for example, if this UV rays come here, they will enter the earth, obviously. They will enter the earth's atmosphere and then enter the earth, and then they will cause skin burn, cancer, eye cancer, and various skin diseases to all the living beings. Yes, so to all the living beings. So depletion of ozone layer is very dangerous for us. So you can define that. We can define that. What is ozone depletion? Ozone depletion is the thinning of ozone layer. Thinning of ozone layer. It is occurred due to some chemical compound which is exposed to the Earth's atmosphere, such as bromine and chlorine. Yes, it is occurred due to some chemical compounds. They are bromine and chlorine. Bromine and chlorine are the major causes for this. Why does it occur? So when bromine and chlorine are exposed to Earth's atmosphere, they cause depletion of this. Further, we'll discuss it in our next topic, which is causes. But before that, we need to learn what is ozone hole. Ozone hole is connected to, or you can say, is another name of ozone depletion. Its definition is that the depletion of ozone layer is called ozone hole. So you can say ozone hole and ozone depletion are connected or have the same meaning. So yes, you can say the depletion of ozone layer is called ozone hole, or you can say that thinning of ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere is called ozone depletion. Both are connected, because the word depletion means thinning. Thin. It is already thin. You need to one thing that you need to note is that it is already thin. This layer is already thin in our atmosphere, but yes, it is getting more thinner day by day. It is thin that it should be. Means that उसको जितना होना चाहिए था उसके लेवल पे वो उतना है, बट उसके कम वो थिन हो जा रहा है, उसके कम वो मतलब पतला होते जा रहा है वो. दिस शुड नॉट बी हैपन. सो इट इज going thinner day by day. It should not be happen. So the word depletion only means thinning. So you can get the means that definition that yes, the depletion, the thinning of ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere is called ozone depletion. Now moving to our next topic, which is causes of ozone depletion, and or you can say ozone hole, because both are interconnected. So what are these causes, you must be wondering of? Two I have told you, bromine and chlorine. Other causes are that unregulated rocket launches and CFCs, which has been spread by air conditioners and global warming. So we are going to discuss in this video about them in detail. So let's get started. So its causes, you can see it first, chlorofluorocarbons, or you can say CFCs. You can say it is the main cause. See here, I'm writing that CFCs. You can say that this CFC is the main cause of ozone layer depletion. You can say because it is exposed. It is released by solvents, aerosols, sprays, air conditioners, refrigerators, and its atom reacts with ozone and make it thinner. So you can say that chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are the main cause for ozone layer depletion. These are released by spray aerosols, solvents, air conditioners, global warming, and refrigerators. Its atoms react with ozone and make it and destroy it or make it thinner. So first we have learned that causes, we have learned three things. First bromine, second chlorine, third chlorofluorocarbons, fourth is unregulated rocket launches, means the time of rocket launches, that if someone wants to do rocket launches, there are various rocket launches in the whole world to reach Mars or to reach Moon. So these are unregulated rocket launches which need to be stopped. Not all of them, but yes, government should make a program or should make a law that in this particular year, this much rocket should be launched. And this month, this particular rocket, if you want to launch, then in this month, this particular rocket should be launched. And yes, government can take the ozone layer, or government can control the depletion, not through this, but yes, we can take a step towards controlling the depletion of ozone layer. Now second is nitrogenous compound. Yes, nitrogenous compound also are the also causes of ozone depletion, such as NO2, N2O, and NO. These nitrogenous compound, you know that nitrogen is very important for burning, and it contains 78%, 78 or if I'm not wrong, 78% of Earth's atmosphere. So of Earth's air, it contains 78% of Earth's air circulations. If I'm not wrong, then oxygen contains 21%, nitrogen contains 28%, another gases and carbons 1%. So yes, the air chart of Earth, of Earth is, or you can say the atmosphere contains 78%. This atmosphere is only the air. So yes, you can say that the air chart, or the air of the Earth contains, or the atmosphere of Earth contains nitrogen, and some of the nitrogenous compounds are very harmful for this, for the depletion of ozone layer. So yes, we need to control them too. Second, the next cause is the natural causes like volcanic eruptions, because it is lava, magma, and it also contains nitrogenous compound. So when it is exposed, it causes depletion of ozone layer. So these are the all. So these 6 topics are all the main causes of ozone layer depletion, or you can say that CFCs are the main causes for this. And or you can say global warming. So next, moving to its effects. What does it affect on human beings? So it has various effect on human being or the whole world. First is the effect on humans. Yes, it affects on humans when it get depleted. The ozone, the UV rays of sun reaches the earth and it causes sunburn, skin cancer, eye cancer, and etc. All skin diseases. Effects on it also causes effects on animals. They cause skin diseases like eye cancer, sunburnt, then cancer in animals too. And in marine life, they cause in marine life through this depletion, planktons are greatly affected. The effects of ozone layer on marine life is that through this, planktons are greatly affected, and if they are destroyed, our food chain is totally destroyed. Our food chain will get affected a lot through them. Now, the next, moving to our next effect on environment. So there will be minimal growth of plants, minimal growth of plants and flowers. They will contain some of the UV, they will absorb some of the UV rays, and there will be minimal growth of them. And forest, you know that one point that forest bear UV rays. So yes, forests will also get destroyed through this. Next is UV radiation will increase, means it will get deflected. Then UV radiation diseases will also increase, such as sunburn, skin cancer, etc. We will also be affected by skin cancer. Then migration of species will also be affected. Then our immune system will also be affected because the plants which we grow and our forest UV rays also be affected. Then greenhouse gases absorb heat at low altitude, which warm the surface but cool the stratosphere. Means greenhouse gases absorb heat at low altitude. Means greenhouse gases absorb heat at low altitude, which warm the surface. But it cools the stratosphere, and it is the effect of this ozone layer depletion. This effect. The layer will get affected by cataracts and then skin cancer, etc. So these are all the causes of ozone layer depletion. Now moving to our next is the solutions. If they are causes, if they are effects, then there also must be solutions. Yes, there are solutions. First is we need to reduce the use of CFCs, which is chlorofluorocarbons, and these are released by, as we have learned earlier, that these are released by solvents, spray aerosols, air conditioners, and refrigerators. Then we need to control our global warming. Then minimize the use of. Then the next point is to minimize the use of vehicles, which will reduce global warming. Next, we should use eco-friendly cleaning products. That products should be free from bromine and chloride. Yes, we should use eco-friendly clean products. That the product should be free from bromine and chloride. Now, next is use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited by the government. We have earlier learned about that NO2, N2O, and NO. Means their use should be prohibited by the government. The government should take actions and prohibit the use of harmful nitrogenous compound that is adversely affecting the ozone layer. Means that government should take action on this particular topic, this particular thing, which causes depletion of ozone layer and prohibited the use of this harmful oxide, which is adversely affecting the depletion of which is adversely depleting the ozone layer. Now, here are its causes. Now, our next topic is, what is government doing? What is the world doing regarding the ozone layer depletion? Yes, there is a Montreal protocol. Yes, the government has launched a Montreal. It is a global. It has been taken on a global agreement. It is a global agreement, and there is a Montreal protocol. Is a process taken by the government, not only of India but of the whole world. It is a global agreement which was proposed in the year 1987, and it focuses on protecting ozone layer. So, the world government, or you can say the global government, proposed a global agreement in the year 1987, which focuses on depleting the ozone layer and by the solutions such as we have discussed earlier, but I'm going to give you a brief explanation of it, which is to minimize global warming, reduce use of CFCs, then use eco-friendly products, then use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited, then reduce global warming, then minimize the use of vehicles, and etc. So this was a protocol taken by the government. Now I'm going to tell you some of the substance and the sources which causes depletion of ozone layer. So first is CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. It is released from its sources are air conditioners, solvents, refrigerators, etc. Next, move to it is halons. Halons is the ozone depleting substance, and its source is fire extinguisher. Yes, fire extinguisher also causes ozone depletion. Although it is good for stopping the fire or for controlling fire, but it causes depletion of ozone layer as it contains nitrous compound. Second is carbon, and its source is also fire extinguisher. It is carbon tetrachloride. Now next, moving to this is carbon tetrachloride, and its source is fire extinguishers and solvents. Next is methyl chloroform. Its source is aerosols. Then hydrofluorocarbon. Its sources are air conditioners, solvents, and fire extinguisher. So I have tell you about 5 ozone depleting substances and their sources. Now I'm going to explain you in detail about how this ozone layer affects. I'm going to show you the diagram through this module only, that how does it affect how does it deplete it, how does the thinning of ozone layer affects the living beings on Earth. So please focus. So as we all know that this is the Earth's atmosphere, this is sun, and this is ozone layer. I know that I've explained it earlier, but yes, to wind up this, I'm explaining you in brief. So it is ozone layer, and we all know that it absorbs 98 to 99% of sun's UV rays. But when it is depleted, its UV rays reaches Earth, and it causes skin cancer, sunburn, and eye diseases in living beings. So through this, we can conclude that depletion of ozone layer is very, very dangerous for us. So what should we do? We should use the solutions which I have told you in this video. So if you like the video, make sure you like my videos, comment on my videos, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.